Hi, I'm Anuraag Singh in Cambridge, Massachusetts. I'm the co-founder and CTO of TechNext Inc. We are transforming science and technology management through quantitative forecasting. Efficient R&D investment is key to solving large-scale societal challenges such as climate change. We are working on systematically predicting the trajectory and improvement potential for all emerging technologies made possible by 2 decades of research done right here at MIT. I was not born when the Berlin Wall fell, but the Indian economy where I grew up underwent a revolution due to the events precipitated by the falling of the wall. As a result, I grew up in a much more interconnected world where everyone is a global citizen. More than $2 trillion are spent on R&D annually, and this is likely to increase substantially to address global challenges such as climate change. R&D spending is the most important, largest, and fastest growing expense for corporations, government agencies, universities, and research labs. Worryingly, evidence suggests that R&D productivity is declining over time. Predicting how quickly a technology will improve was impossible for new and emerging technologies and took months of data collection and manual analysis for old ones. This cost organizations billions of dollars per year, squandering human and financial resources on dead ends. TechNext breaks this wall and enables better decision making through real time probabilistic forecasts. Here is one of our tools in action. You are the head of R&D at Ford Motors. You have to plan for the electric vehicle transition, when to invest or cut back. You put the two technologies in the search bar and hit search to get a forecast. This forecast shows when will lithium-ion batteries overtake combustion engines based on gasoline. You can also run multiple scenarios for different initial conditions depending on the choice of technological metric of comparison. We're able to do this by 1. Collecting one of the largest datasets on empirical performance of technology, training a predictor for these improvement rates based on the US Patent Citation Network. Third, creating algorithms to instantly search and predict the rates for more than 150,000 different technologies, from candles to quantum computers. Our forecasts can match reality up to 20 years ahead of time. Our research is already being used by academic projects all over the world. We're helping the US Air Force forecast future technological threats and opportunities, and VC firms to analyze the future potential of the technology developed at startups. And we are working with think tanks to analyze the trajectory and impact of emerging technologies on the economy, national security, and society. We aim to become a universal technology operating system for all organizations, shaping how they comprehend, manage, create, and use technology. Any organization managing technology will use our tools in daily decisions regarding which technologies to invest in, what research to fund and focus on, and who to hire. As technology grows in importance in every industrial sector, the human and financial capital that will be allocated through us is limitless in value. Thank you.